Hi dear students, how are you? Hope you will be fine. I am here with a new mathematical problem. It is looking simple, but it's not so simple as you are thinking. So, to solve it, we will make two parentheses. The first one is 15 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 15. So here 15 we will apply KCF, which is keep first one, change division into multiplication, and take reciprocal of 5 or flip it. It will be 1 over 5. You can simply divide 15 divided by 5. It is 3. But I am following KCF rule. Similarly, 5, keep it. It is changed into multiplication, and 15 is flipped over. It will be 1 over 15. So now it will be 3 multiplied by 1, 3, divided by 1 by 3. Now again applied KCF rule. Keep, change, flip, keep it, change it, flip it. So the answer will be 9. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, which is your answer. Thank you.